All right, hey, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and we are at day one. So we've had a lot of fun already. So, Amy, John, Chris, and I, we arrived in NOLA yesterday, and uneventful flight. That was great. But, we had dinner at Blue Bayou Oyster Bar. It was awesome. Hey, Damon, you are the best waiter ever. He even chased us out of the restaurant to make sure that I, got my reading glasses, but he was a hoot. And yeah, so you should definitely check out that place if you're down here. But nonetheless, so then we got really brave and we walked into the French Quarter, and this was Saturday night, mind you, right? And we walked through the French Quarter and, got to Bourbon Street and everything. And it is, if you've never been here, it is exactly what you picture. Lots of beads, lots of boobs, lots of ribaldry and debauchery and all of that stuff. So years ago, in about 1992, I came here, and I really liked this place, Lafitte's. And there was no electricity. It was really quiet. It was on Bourbon Street, but in a different place. And so I'm like, okay, we have to go there. So I Googled Lafitte's, and I'm like, oh, they turned Lafitte's into an absinthe house. Turns out there are many things named Lafitte's. So we actually went to Jean Lafitte's Absinthe House, and I had some Swiss absinthe. Chris had some French absinthe, and John and Amy, they shared something with some creme de violet and absinthe and whatever. But it was a really good time. Everybody is so nice here, like our waiter at the restaurant, the bartender at this place. And then, we decided, let's go look. After that, we decided, let's go look for the other place that I'm used to. And, we just walked forever and everything. So I'm looking forward to showing everybody this city during the day. And yeah, I could go on and on, but I know that this isn't the real reason why you're tuning in. So I just want to warn you that I am about to go down to the big opening ceremony for BERNINA, and I've done my best to try to figure out, before anybody else, what is this big thing that's being announced this year. And quite honestly, the best I could get is, well, I think it's a 3D printer. No. I think it's a vacuum. BERNINA's going into vacuums. And then somebody else thought it was a cell phone. So I don't know what it is yet, but in about an hour, I'm going to sneak out and try to share it with all of you. I'm not sure how well that's going to work out. So with that in mind, I do these produced videos at BERNINA University and everything, and I thought that maybe tonight at 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, I'm gonna do a session live right here on our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel, where you can type in your questions and I'll do my best to answer with the information that we get today. I don't really do this ever. I think it could be really fun. And it'll be interesting to see what you're all up to. I think I'll just make it 30 minutes. So, and if you don't get a chance to ask your questions and tune in and everything, it'll be posted as a regular video, and I'll still answer any kind of things that you ask in the comments. But I'm already exhausted. I had every intention this morning of going to the gym and all of that stuff, but we had to get up early to be at the opening of the BERNINA University store, where we buy all the swag, like what you see behind us, so that, we can bring our treasures home to the store. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna stop. I only have so much film left, so I can make sure I capture the big announcement of the product this year. Okay, so I just got back, and there's a lot of stuff to talk about. First of all, there is a new Burnette. It's super cute. It does a lot of fun things. There's actually two of them. It's a 57 sewing only and a 59 embroidery. I'm not going to go into detail, so come back tomorrow and watch that video about that one, because I think this is so awesome for anybody wanting to get into embroidery, get into sewing, want a dependable, awesome little machine. Then there is some new accessories. There is a new magnet hoop for the BERNINA 990. That's actually a 16 inches by 12 inches. It goes right on your 990, and it's a magnet hoop. And we are going to have pre-orders for all of these things, so don't worry. I'm just telling you about the information, and then in our following days, we'll talk about pre-orders and things like that. I talked about and teased the walking foot for the 9mm machines. You know all about that. I'm not going to go into detail. But then there's also the new hoops that are sticky hoops. So they look sort of like a magnet hoop, but they're only one piece, and they're to be used with sticky stabilizer when you're doing like your napkin corners and things like that. There's also the sergers that we talked about, and we'll talk about those in another video, maybe day 3. They're really awesome, but they've been released already, so some of you probably already been following those. But there is a special edition Bernina. Now, you know, sometimes I totally dig the special edition. Sometimes they have to warm to me, but it's a Liberty of London Bernina, and there's 2 of them. There's the 495, which is a sewing only machine with 5mm stitching, but all the bells and whistles of the 480. It also has extra feet. Then there's also the 580, which is really awesome. It's like a 570, but it's got more feet, and both machines have these wonderful decorative stitches. So let's take a moment and see how awesome these things are.
Founded in 1893 by Carl Friedrich Gigav, Bernina released its first household sewing machine in 1932. Founded in 1875 by Arthur Lazenby Liberty, Liberty laid plans for a London emporium where it began producing fabrics in the late 19th century. 2 visionary heritage brands united through their creative synergy.
Liberty and Bernina is such an amazing collaboration. So it's so excited to see them together in this one amazing machine. I'm super excited about the new Bernina 580 Liberty edition. The Bernina 580 has so many great features. One of my favourites is that it has the wide throat for the quilting. It comes with the edge stitch foot 10 and the embroidery open foot 20D. It comes with the 1/4 inch quilting foots, which is so great for lining up your quilting so you know where you're stitching.
I think Liberty fabrics are just really beautiful. They're wonderfully designed, the colours are always beautiful, and the quality is always amazing. And you know, if you're going to make a dress or a garment out of Liberty fabric, it's going to work out beautifully, it's going to hang nicely, and it's going to look really good. So I really like the decorative stitches on the 495 Liberty edition. And there's a great variety of them. There are 3 feet, and I think they're really good additions because they really set you up so you can just get started. We've got the 1/4 inch patchwork foot 37, so that's perfect when I'm doing my 1/4 inch seams. We've got the edge stitch foot, which is great. So if you're doing some top stitching or you want to be really precise, then the edge stitch foot has a great guide, so that keeps everything lined up, so that's fab. One of my favourite is the open embroidery foot, so you can really see where the needle's going. They're just really fab additional feet. I think they're great.
I love that the new Bernina 580 comes preloaded with the Liberty embroidery designs. They're going to be such a beautiful addition to quilts. I like to use a lot of white in my quilts to get contrast with the Liberty fabric, so it's going to be lovely to go round squares with those deco stitches. What an amazing collaboration between my 2 favourite brands.
I think it's going to be fantastic to use, and it's also going to be beautiful to look at.
All right, so I hope that that was exciting for you, but I have to tell you something. So there is something really cool. So the engineers and the product management team and product development team at BERNINA International, they've been working double time. And there is a familiar machine, but a whole new machine. It's got this beautiful diamond faceplate pattern, and it's a 790 Ultra. Now, ultimately, this machine will replace the 790 Pro. Stop clutching your pearls, okay? This machine is pretty cool. It has got a lot of features, and I'm not gonna sit here and regurgitate all of them. Let's watch what Brigitta has to say about this new machine.
Ultra precise, ultra creative, ultra innovative. This is the new BERNINA 790 Ultra.
The BERNINA 790 Ultra inspires me to go for new adventures. With all the features, you have to explore that all. My name is Brigitte Heitland. I am a fabric and pattern designer. Quilters all over the world are using my fabrics and patterns, and that's what drives me daily. I learned sewing from my grandmother, and this is when my passion started. And I'm now very eager to explore the new 790 Ultra. The crop function, just think of an on-point quilt. You have a motif inside the squares, and now you come to the edges where you have only triangles left. Now you can crop a square into a triangle and have the same motif in the complete quilt. Isn't that great? The function start and stop shows me the start and end point of a motif. Now when I connect motifs with one click, they will combine into one single motif, which will embroidered in one turn only. Wiebke was once a volunteer in my company, so we had the same wavelengths. So we stayed friends over time, and we share the same passion for sewing. What I really use often is the 3-point placement, because it goes apart from the 4-point or square setting to any possible shape. The laser, just brilliant. I don't have to test with the hand wheel back and forth where my needle will end. The laser shows me. With the Shape Designer, I can arrange my designs in any shape, and it's fabulous that the machine can read nearly all file formats on the market. To be able to monitor the embroidery process on the phone allows me to not meditate 30 minutes in front of my needle. And then when that little notification pops up ready, continue with the work. To have the help and consultant with the machine itself is such a game changer. Now you just go to the machine or your tablet and find all the answers. I love the integrated stitch regulator on the B790 Ultra. It makes it so much easier to enhance my quilt top with beautiful motifs. Nice! The jumbo stitch allows us to widen your decorative stitches up to 500%. It turns out beautifully. There are so many wonderful features with the BERNINA 790 Ultra that I can't sum them up in only one sentence.
Bernina, made to create.
All right, now I teased you a little bit about pre-orders. So here's what we're going to do. Pre-orders will be happening, and if you are interested in any of these machines, maybe you've seen videos on other dealers' channels, maybe you've seen the BERNINA ones because they pulse these out on YouTube already. But if you want to order from us, once again, if it's a Bernette, no problem, we can ship it to you, no problem, right? But the Berninas, you have to come to BERNINA of Naperville in person to purchase this machine. But I know a lot of you are already really close to us that follow us on our channel and all of that stuff. So just to keep things a little bit simple for me, because I am on the road, it's like camping. I don't have all of the full-blown internet access that I'd like to have. So right now, if you please send me an email to Gayle@BERNINAofNaperville.com and put in the subject line pre-orders, I'll answer your questions. I will get you on the list, first come, first served, right? But then I will send you an invoice for your deposit. Now, our deposits are refundable if the machines have not come into the store quite yet, right? But I'm not going to put any pressure on you to give us a deposit until we get back on Tuesday, July 7th. And by pressure, I mean sending you an invoice. You know what I mean? I'm trying to be, diplomatic here. I totally understand. There's a lot more to learn. We are actually going to have an in-person event July 18th on a Saturday to talk about these things in person. For all of you that are local, you're going to have a lot of questions and everything like that. But if you like coming to BERNINA of Naperville's YouTube channel for answers to any of your questions and stuff, don't forget that we are doing that YouTube live stream tonight, which is a Q&A that you can type in your little questions and I'll answer them in real time. That's tonight at 9:30 Central Daylight Time. And I'll be there for 30 minutes and then that'll be recorded and be uploaded. But in the interim, I hope that you've enjoyed this information. I hope that you stick around with us. And if you have any questions, you can also drop a comment in the video. And as I always say, don't forget, if you want to see more videos from us that aren't Bernina University related or new product related, go on and visit our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel, which is easy to find because it is youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville. In addition to commenting, please like and subscribe. And click the little bell if you want alerts the minute that we upload new videos. I thank you so much, and I'll see you again later. Bye-bye.